With iCUE version 3.34 comes official support for using our popular diffused RGB lighting strips from our LS100 starter kit and LS100 expansion kits on internal controllers like our Lighting Node Pro and Commander Pro. LS100 lighting strips come in 250mm, 350mm, 450mm, and 1.4m lengths, and connect using the same 3-pin connector. To install LS100 strips in your case, simply mount them to a metal surface using the magnetic clips included with each strip. Connect each individual strip together using the connectors, and finally connect the entire chain of LS100 strips to a lighting channel on your controller. Now, launch CORSAIR iCUE on your PC and go to your lighting controller. In the Lighting Setup tab, use the drop-down for the lighting channel that you've connected the LS100 strips to, and select External RGB Light Strip. Additional drop-down menus will appear to help you properly select the configuration of strips that you've installed in your PC. Once you've selected how many of each length you've installed, change the order of the strips by clicking and dragging each strip into place. Once you've finished in Lighting Setup, go to Lighting Effects to apply lighting. And that's it. For more information about the LS100 expansion kits or our internal lighting controllers, check us out at corsair.com. Thanks for watching.